Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I'll be talking about some of the important challenges while performing mobile app testing. Then also we will talk about how to tackle those challenges in this video. So let us first understand what would be the first challenge if you are trying to test mobile apps by using mobile phone. The first major challenge which we see is the kind of apps we are developing these days has multiple variances. The mobile app could be native apps, or mobile app could be hybrid, or mobile app could be web app application. Any of these different combinations of mobile applications we can have it. Now each of these mobile apps do behave totally different, and we should have a different use cases and as well as different test scenarios to test mobile apps across these different varieties. Now this itself a big challenge because there are certain mobile apps totally behaves in a different way and certain mobile apps in a different way. For example, if you can see, right, in web apps we cannot store the files into the mobile, but this can be easily done using the mobile apps which are designed using the native apps. Similarly, we may have various different challenges. Based on that, we should define our test scenarios or test cases appropriately. That is the number one challenge which we face normally while testing mobile app. The second one is the kind of mobile operating systems we have. Here also we have a wide range of operating systems we have. Plus again, each operating systems comes with a different operating system numbers, different versions. Again, that itself a big challenge while testing mobile operating systems. In testing our mobile application against these operating system will also be a very challenge. On an high level, we have three types of mobile operating systems we have. One is Android operating systems we have, then iOS plus Windows. These are the three key players in terms of mobile operating systems. We should ensure we are going to run our mobile apps against any of these operating systems, again any of the different operating systems versions, because any of the end user can run your mobile apps against any operating systems which they are there in their mobile phone. Then that itself a big challenging work where we should cover our test scenarios or test cases in combinations of different browsers, again different operating systems in a given mobile phone. That is a crucial challenges which we normally face, where we should try to adopt some of the manual cases or some of the automation we need to bring in to cover up the test cases across different devices, different operating systems, as well as different browsers as well. Again, this requires a lot of human resource. Again, it requires a lot of automation tools to run these test cases across these different combinations. That is the second issue. And the third major or a key issue while testing our mobile apps with any mobile devices is the screen sizes. Plus again different browser combinations. Screen size is also a very big challenge. In the olden days we used to have a very small mobile phones. Now we have very big mobile phone, up to more than 6-inch mobile phones we have. Now we have to cover wide range of these screens for a given mobile app, just to ensure that we are getting the right output by using these mobile devices. And also as a testing, we should ensure all our mobile applications should work seamlessly irrespective of any different screen sizes which we use to access that mobile app. The fourth key issue is mobile network issues, because without mobile network we cannot access any of the network oriented mobile apps. That means the mobile can have 2G network, 3G network, or it can have 4G, LTE, 5G, or we can have LAN network, WAN network, we have Wi-Fi, and so on. We have to test our mobile application across various of these mobile network conditions that guarantees whether our application really behaves properly at 2G level, 3G, 4G, of any of these internet conditions, to see whether because of slower network whether our mobile apps really works seamlessly, or it do give a lot of challenges with these different network conditions. Also we should require to be validated, and also with these different networking conditions we should also see to that the response time is also very crucial. You should not take too much response time when you are using the slower network. That kind of validations also we should make as part of these critical challenges. And the fifth important critical challenge while testing mobile app is the battery capacity or consumptions. That is the key thing these days, because these days every mobiles will have a huge set of battery is available in every mobile phone, but with the kind of mobile application which we are building is also very big. Normally the big mobile applications, big mobile apps consumes lot of battery energy. Because of that our battery drains faster as well. Now we need to bring lot of optimization in the mobile apps so that it makes use of energy very less compared to the kind of power it drains. We wanted to ensure that that kind of test cases also to be covered apart from our regular functional test cases. This is very crucial, because if your mobile app drains the battery very fast, then nobody will like to install your mobile apps, then they will just uninstall your mobile app. That is the key reason why we wanted to test this battery test. Apart from this, we should also test against mobile location. Again, mobile location also very crucial, because wherever the mobile location, network usage, Bluetooth mode, in which mode we are trying to access our mobile apps, based on that we wanted to test this battery capacity or a battery consumption variation test that would guarantee that we are doing the right test as part of overall mobile app testing. I am hoping you guys got a clear idea now. These are some of the 5 important challenges which we face normally while testing the mobile apps, and how to handle these situations also I have explained in this video. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.